Hello, myself Bini. My registration number is UR15CS203. Today I am going to explain about the dynamic routing. If we first, what is dynamic routing? It is a routing in which it uses the routing protocol to specify a particular path, and for that I have created three LAN networks with two WAN links. For that, for simplification, I have taken different network address for the different LAN and WAN link. For this network, I have taken 1.0. For this WAN link, I have taken 2.0. For this LAN network, I have taken 3.0, and for this WAN link, I have taken 4.0, and for this LAN network, I have taken 5.0. For every I have configured for every end devices, I have configured the IP addresses like 192.168.1.1 with the /24 as a subnet mask, and for this end device I have taken as 192.168.3.1 and /24 as a subnet mask, and for this PC I have taken 192.168.1.5.2 with /24. I have given the default gateway as 192.168.5.1, and for like that I have given every LAN and WAN network at their IP addresses. Now we are going to configure the router with their adjacent network addresses. As this router contains this LAN network and this WAN link, we are going to supply the network address of this both to this router. For that we will go to CLI interface, and in that we are going to enable it, and we are going to write configure, and now we have entered into the configuration mode. Now we will write router RIP, and now we are going to configure the router with the network address. Here this LAN network contains the 1.0, so we will give network 192.168.1.0, enter. Now it contains another network 192.168.2.0 as this, and for seeing the network what are connected, we will write show. Here it show what are things are connected with this, and we have configured this. Now for another router, we have this 2.0 network, 3.0 network, and 4.0 network. Now we will go to CLI phase. We are going to enable it, and we are going to config mode, and now we are going to write router RIP and network. We have different network like 2.0 network 192.168.2.0 and network 3.0 network 4.0 over here. And for this router we have 4.0 and 5.0 network. This we will go to CLI, enable it, and go to for the config mode, and router RIP, and in that we are going to give a network, the address 192.168.4.0, and again network 5.0. Now here we have configured every network with this is the RIP version v1, and till now we have connected the version, we have used the RIP version v1 because we have configured all these networks of the same classes of different all the networks with same class but of different networks we have connected together. But if we want to go for v2, it means RIP version v2 means that we have different different classes with we can connect different classes of different networks also. For that only we have to slightly do one thing. We have to type over here, go to config mode, and we will type v space 2 sorry, we have to write first router RIP, then here we will go to version 2. Now here we have entered for the version 2. The only difference was that now we can configure 2 different class networks together also. This was the small program that I made for dynamic routing.